Hello friends, today we are going to talk about human placenta. We say human placenta is a maternal and fetal organ combined with the maternal and fetal tissues to connect the mother to the fetus. The fetal tissue which is responsible for formation of placenta is the chorion. Chorion is an extra-embryonic membrane which forms folds-like structure called chorionic villi. And along with this, we have a maternal tissue which helps in the formation of placenta, that is none other than the blood. We use the word heme for blood, chorial for chorion of the fetus, and we say that the human placenta is hemochorial placenta formed of maternal blood and chorionic villi of the fetal tissue. So we can define it that it is a feto-maternal or materno-fetal organ that connects mother to the fetus, made up of blood as a maternal tissue and chorion as a fetal tissue. Placenta is a disc-like structure which connects to the fetus with the help of a cord called umbilical cord. The placenta is not in direct contact with the fetus. It transports its material with the help of a connecting link called umbilical cord. So we say that placenta along with umbilical cord form the transport system of the fetus. Let's understand a bit anatomy of the human body which contains the developing fetus. It's a female body with the womb showing the blue marked area as the uterus. The black area, the fetus, which is present in the fetal membranes, the extra embryonic membranes and the fluid, the growing developing fetus. The cord that connects the placenta to the fetus, the umbilical cord, which gets the nutritions from the placenta to the fetus and also is responsible for removal of metabolic wastes from the fetus to the placenta. So we say that placenta is an exchange medium for providing nourishment to the young one, for providing gases to the young one, as well as for removal of the wastes from the young one. Besides acting as the exchange medium, this placenta that provides the maternal blood, these are the uterine muscles, the muscles of the uterus with underlying connective tissue containing the maternal blood vessels that supply blood, forming the part of the placenta. This blood contains the nutrition and the gases. So we can say it contains oxygen, it contains the food, and also it contains the antibodies which provide immunity to the young one against certain diseases, are transported from the blood to the fetal blood vessels via diffusion and carried to the developing fetus with the help of umbilical cord. Also, the metabolic wastes which are produced in the body of the young one are transported back through the fetal blood vessels and diffuse into the blood of the mother, carried back to the body circulation of the mother. So these antibodies, food and oxygen is taken up by the fetal veins and given it to the body of the blood of the fetus, and the metabolic wastes are brought out from the body of the fetus. Into the maternal blood. Now, if I summarize the functions of the placenta, so we can say it provides nutrition to the developing fetus. It helps in respiration and exchange of gases for the fetus. It also provides immunity to the fetus by providing it the antibodies through maternal blood. It is responsible for removal of metabolic wastes, that is excretion. It also has certain endocrine functions, that is, it releases hormones for maintenance of the fetus in the mother's body. Between the maternal and the fetal blood, and prevents any transfer of antigens from the mother's body into the developing fetus. Provide nourishment, medium for exchange of gases, for respiration, gaseous exchange, provides antibodies to protect against certain diseases, removal of metabolic wastes as excretion, release of hormones, a barrier between the maternal and fetal blood. Summarized functions of I hope now it is very clear to us that placenta is a disc which is not directly connected to the young one. It is connected with the cord called umbilical cord, which brings the contents from the mother's blood via placenta to the fetus and is responsible for exchange of other materials as well as release of hormones. The tissues which are connecting or forming the placenta are maternal tissue, the blood, and the fetal tissue, that is the extraembryonic membrane, chorion, that is chorionic villi, that contains the embryonic blood vessels or fetal blood vessels, arteries and veins. Hope it is clear to you. Looking forward more with more videos and explaining the hormone function of placenta. Thank you very much.